Join me on my 90-day SEO challenge on how to rank any website on page 1 of Google, even if you are totally broke and have no marketing budget whatsoever. Let's go. To rank for a keyword in Google, you must have an e-commerce page, a product page, or a blog post already indexed within Google search engine resource pages. Without that, you will not rank for that keyword. This is how you do it. Go to your blog post, copy the URL, the website address, search Google Search Console in Google itself, create an account, sign in, copy and paste that URL into the Search Console. It will look to see whether it's already been indexed in Google, and if not, you can request indexing. It will test to see if it's live URL, go back a couple of days later, and gosh, there it is, it's in Google. Bring on the traffic. But slow down, here is a word of warning. Do not do this until you have your on-page optimization sorted. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. Like this no BS approach to SEO, make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow me over on TikTok and Instagram.